Our speaker comes from a political family in the North. He is the son of the late Congressman Flora Crisologo and former Governor Carmelin P. Crisologo. In the early 90s, his film biography entitled Pingo the Vincent Crisologo Story was shown to the public and was a blockbuster hit. He started his own political career as a councilor of District 1 in Quezon City in 1998, and after serving 2 consecutive terms, he ran as congressman in 2004, and he is serving 3 terms at the House of Representatives. Above all, he has been faithfully serving the Lord in the past 43 years by serving how God can give us a new life in Jesus. Brothers and sisters, let us all welcome in the love of the Lord, the head servant of the Love community, Brother Vincent Bingkong Crisologo. Palakpakan natin kayo.